In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix Studio on PC in 2026 step by step. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works by installing Wix Studio as an app directly through the browser, so Chrome is the important first step here. If Chrome is already open, you can simply use your current window and continue from there. Once you're in Chrome, go to Wix Studio. You can do that by searching for Wix Studio in Google or by going straight to the official Wix Studio website. Make sure you're on the correct Wix Studio page before moving forward because the install option appears from the website itself. After the Wix Studio page is fully loaded, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three dots icon. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find the option needed to install the site as an app on your PC. From that menu, hover over the section called Save and Share, or in some versions of Chrome, More Tools. The wording can vary slightly depending on your browser version, so don't worry if it looks a little different on your screen. The key is to look for the area that contains app or shortcut related options. Next, click Install Page as App, or Create Shortcut if that's the option you see instead. This is the step that turns Wix Studio into a more app-like experience on your computer. Rather than opening as a normal browser tab every time, it can launch in its own window for quicker and cleaner access. When the install prompt appears, select Install. Once you do that, a dedicated standalone window will open automatically, and a shortcut will also be placed on your desktop for easy access. That means you'll be able to launch Wix Studio quickly, just like a regular desktop application. A helpful tip here is that this doesn't always mean you're downloading a traditional software program in the usual sense. Instead, Chrome is creating a desktop-style web app version of Wix Studio, which is perfect if you want faster access and a more streamlined workspace. And that's it. You've successfully installed Wix Studio on your PC. From now on, you can open it directly from your desktop shortcut and use it in a separate window without needing to browse for the site each time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.